In terms of our progression from our preliminary to our AS final product, we developed in many ways. First off, the lighting issues that we had in the preliminary task were eradicated. During the preliminary task, the light from the windows was just too much, and we tried different combinations of the blinds down and the lights on and vice versa, but we couldn't quite get it to work, and we found that we wanted to create a kind of creepy feeling which we felt that we could only do through low-key lighting. This was something we changed during our AS final product by making sure that we had the effects available on Final Cut Pro, as well as using our hall and completely blackening it and making a lighting workshop so that we could test different lights and create the effect that we wanted to. In terms of framing, our framing during our preliminary task was not very good because we hadn't analysed many films, and so we didn't exactly know how the victim and the villain should be framed. However, after textually analysing different films, we found that the victim is usually displayed off-centre frame to make them vulnerable, which is something that we replicated and also subverted in our film. The shaky shots during our preliminary task were eradicated by using a tripod during the AS final product, and we found that this helped because we didn't want to create the freehand shots that we wanted to create weren't throughout the film, and so the steady shots that we had were good because we used a tripod. When we were filming our preliminary task, the classroom the location that we used for the first part of the filming was not available during the second part, and so there wasn't really any continuity between the first two parts. This is something we changed by making sure that the same rooms were available during all the times that we needed to film, and also filming in each location in one big block so that we didn't have to keep going back to the same spot when it may not have been free. During our preliminary task, we had to search kind of the entire school to find the props that we needed, which wasted a lot of time, and we changed this during our AS final product by ensuring that we had all the props to begin with and that we didn't need to go looking for them.